Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making jacket potato. Get large potato and pierce it all over with a fork. So when it's heating up inside, it can escape air. Okay, now we're gonna add oil onto our potatoes. You can use any oil, I'm using olive oil. Sprinkle with salt and pepper. And just rub it with your clean hands. Now pop the potatoes in the oven and leave it for around 30-35 minutes. And then turn the potatoes around so the other side is also brown. Pop it back in the oven. The potato should be done in 40 to 45 minutes. You can put a knife through it to see if it's done, or just put it back into the oven if it's not. Slit the potatoes in a cross. And use this motion here to pop it open. Put a little bit of butter in each. Add in any cheese you want. I'm using cheddar here. And back in the oven for literally 2 to 3 minutes till the cheese is slightly melted. There you go guys, this is a complete dish and this is how I like to eat my jacket potato. You can put more cheese in it. I'm gonna put some myself, and you can eat this as it is or with the beans. I'm putting a spoonful of beans, and I'm also going to put a little bit of tuna on the side. There you go, that's a complete dish, and this is how I like to eat my jacket potato. There you go guys, this is my jacket potato. I hope you like this recipe. If you do, please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.